Hey guys, so to remove the error code for your Samsung refrigerator, where you're gonna have the 5C, what you want to do is you want to press and hold the freezer button with the fridge button at the same time, and you just want to press and hold it for like up to 10 to 15 seconds. So when you're gonna have the error code, press and hold for 15 to like 10 to 15 seconds, and then the error code should disappear. So try it out, maybe it's going to actually fix it for you. And that's how we're going to fix the issue. So press and hold it, and that should be it. So hope this video helped you. How we can possibly fix this issue, and have a great day and goodbye.